A 20 newtons force applied on a 2 kg mass which is in contact with an 8 kg mass pushes the two masses horizontally on a frictionless surface. What is the magnitude of the force that the 8 kg mass exerts on the 2 kg mass? Now, we are pushing these two blocks where this one is 2 kg, the other one, the bigger one, is 8 kg. Now you are pushing from the 2 kg direction. You want the force that the 8 kg is going to exert on the 2 kg. Now the first thing that is common for both masses is the acceleration, and that we need to find. So using the Newton's second law of motion, net force is equal to mass times acceleration. So since there is no friction, the only force that is going to cause an acceleration is the same which has been applied, the 20 newtons force. Now since these masses are in contact, we are going to get to add them. 2 plus 8, that will give us 10, and then multiply by acceleration. So to remain with acceleration, divide both sides by 10. That is going to be 2 meters per second squared. Now since the force has been applied on the 2 kg object, okay, the force has been applied on the 2 kg object, this 2 kg object will also be pushing the 8 kg object. Alright, so let's find the force that the 2 kg object exerts on the 8 kg object. Alright, so we're going to say again, force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Now this is the force that 2 kg exerts on the 8 kg, and that will be equal to, you are exerting on an 8 kg mass. In other words, you are pushing the 8 kg mass, so you use the mass for the 8 kg, then multiply by the acceleration, that is 2. So this is going to give us what? That is going to give us 16 newtons. Now, the force that the 2 kg mass exerts on the 8 kg, according to Newton's third law of motion, is going to be equal to the force that the 8 kg mass exerts on the 2 kg mass, but they will just have opposite directions, so that will be negative 16 newtons. But this question, we are just looking for the magnitude and not direction. Therefore, the answer is going to be 16 newtons. Now, if the force was applied in the other direction, if the force was applied in this direction, you want to see what force each block exerts on the other. Since the boxes or the blocks are in contact, the acceleration will still remain the same. But in this case, the 8 kg mass is going to exert a force on the 2 kg mass. So to find the force exerted by the 8 kg mass is going to be mass multiplied by acceleration. The mass, now you're exerting the force on the 2 kg object, then the acceleration is 2, so that would have given us 4, and this would have been the same force that the 2 kg object would have exerted on the 8 kg object, but it would have just an opposite direction. So you consider the direction to which the force has been applied. Alright, so that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching.